Hello, hello. Please introduce yourself when you come on the live. Let us know where you're joining us from. We're happy to have you here. Welcome, welcome. As you come on, introduce yourself. Let us know where you're coming from. We're happy to have you. My name's John. I'm the owner of Elite Credit Solutions in Tampa, Florida. We serve the whole United States. I run a traditional credit repair company. We're not one of the membership type of companies. We don't send any form letters out. We do real good old-fashioned credit repair. I'd be happy to help you with your credit goals. If you're trying to buy a house, maybe you're trying to get a car, or lower your interest rates, I'm here to help you. Here to answer any questions also. Welcome, welcome. Happy to have you. Please introduce yourself as you come on the live. I'm happy you're here. Let us know where your message is from. We're happy to have you. Welcome. My name's John. I'm the owner of Elite Credit Solutions. Online, I'm known as Papa Credit, and I'm happy to have you here. Please introduce yourself as you come online. I'm happy you're here. Welcome, welcome. Please remember to follow us, like the video, share on TikTok, share on social media, trying to get the word out to other platforms. I'm trying to get 10K just like many of us, but I'm also trying to get help 10,000 people. Many are still struggling from the pandemic, and we're going through one of the worst economies we've ever seen in our lifetime. So I'm here to help people, and I'd be grateful if you share the video on Facebook or Twitter, or I guess otherwise known as X. And what else out there? Facebook, X, LinkedIn, all those. Or if you're a part of any other Snapchat or anything, please share with others. The more coverage I can get, the more we can help people. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining us. Please introduce yourself as you come on the live. I'm happy to have you here. Welcome. I'm at a local laundromat in West Tampa. Not doing laundry, just seemed like a great place to hang out. There's a little bit of breeze. It's still kind of hot, but a little bit better than sitting in the house. So thought I would come down to the laundromat and have a little chat with you. I'm happy to answer any questions you have regarding credit or anything in my industry. I'm happy to help. A lot of people call me for advice, and I'm always happy to help. Please introduce yourself as you come on the live. Follow us, like the live, and put a message. Let us know where your messaging is from, whether it's live or you listen to the recording. And share on TikTok, share all over social media. Welcome, welcome. Please introduce yourself. I'm happy you're here. Welcome. Welcome. Happy you joined us today. Welcome, welcome. As you come on, introduce yourself and let us know where you're joining us from. Like the video. Follow us. Put a message where you're joining us from. Share on TikTok. Share on social media. We're always happy to have you here. trying to do these lives pretty much every night, so I can try to get the word out and help people. And I'm here to support you in your efforts to achieve your goals. Tonight, I wanted to talk to you about fundraising. We've briefly covered that on previous lives, but I do have a fundraising program. Anybody in the United States, any nonprofit, can take advantage of it. The big difference between me and maybe another fundraiser you're part of, and I'll reference our friends with the cookies. And that's not a knock on the cookies, because we all love their cookies every year, and we're happy to see them in front of the grocery store. And we're all guilty of getting 5 or 10 boxes and taking home with us. So we want you to continue to support the girls. And I'm not sure if there's boys in that club or not, but just so I can be accurate. But definitely continue to buy the cookies. A lot of fundraisers, they only offer a couple of bucks on the product, and we'll use the cookies. And again, that's not to knock on the cookies, but let's just say the Girl Scouts sell those boxes for, I don't know what they are, $5 or something. Maybe they get $2 a box or something. They have to sell a lot of those boxes, and I'm here to tell you they don't like to deviate from their marketing plan. They're set up to sit in front of the store and sell the cookies. That's the way it's been. That's a tradition. That's what they do. Welcome. I'm gonna prop this up for just a second. Welcome. Happy you're here. Welcome. I think I'll do a different angle here while we're talking. Welcome. So back on the fundraising program. Maybe not the cookies. I know when I was growing up, we're selling. I was in the band, and we're selling every Christmas fruitcakes. I don't know about you, but I don't crave fruitcakes any time of the year. Maybe as I got older, it was kind of neat to dig it out once in a while, but I truly believe most people just bought those fruitcakes because they wanted to help the kid out, and maybe they just pitched the fruitcakes, or maybe they gave it away to somebody. But I don't think anybody craves fruitcakes. So I'm offering credit repair. A lot of people haven't recovered from the pandemic, and a lot of people struggling. We're going through the worst economy we've ever experienced, many of us in our lifetime. And prices have gone up 30-40% in pretty much everything. Apartments and anything grocery shopping. And the costs have hit us hard. So many are struggling. But what I'm offering is, let's just say a church needs an organ. They're trying to earn some money to an organ. The preacher announces on Sunday morning that we're doing a fundraiser with the Elite Credit Solutions. And I don't know how many people attend church, 300 or 400 people, but there's a good chance there's a handful of people in that church that have bad credit or struggling due to their credit. So they don't have to embarrass themselves, call the preacher, or nothing like that. They don't need to stand up and tell everybody they got bad credit. It's very private and personal. You can put it in the bulletin. You can just maybe make an announcement, and it's in the bulletin. They call us. They're from ABC Church, and we tell them about the program. We sign them up. We give them a discount for calling in, and we make a $50 donation back to the organization. That could be a church, that can be a Lions Club, that can be Legion, that can be anything. So, very quickly, first of all, you're offering something that 90% of America needs. And second of all, you're making $50 off of everybody that signs up. And so I could be a huge resource to you, even if you're needing uniforms. Maybe you're needing, cheerleading outfits. Whatever you're trying to accomplish. The band needs new uniforms. I think a great problem to have is that I got to write you a check every day, and I'm happy to do that. And this can be a short-term thing. This can be a weekend thing, or it can be a couple weeks. Or if you want something long-term, and you just want to tell people, church every Sunday. Don't forget we're doing fundraising. And I'm just using a church, but there's a million. I could help you out with uniforms. I could help you out with cheerleading outfits, band uniforms. Maybe you need new sports equipment for the basketball team. I really need you to be a nonprofit though, because the only thing I'm going to ask is that you write me a statement at the end of the year, or write me a statement at the end of the fundraising, how much I've sent you. And we don't even have to do that if you don't want to, because I'm gonna send you a check, so I'll have a record of it for my business. But probably maybe back that up if you would be so kind to. I'll let you know how many people. You write me a letter on your letterhead and kind of help me out to report on my business side also, because I'm giving tons and tons of free credit repair. Another good news is, number one, my prices are the same as when I opened the company 15 years ago. So back in 2009, my first two plans are the same as when we opened the company. So I already know I'm the lowest in the country. I don't participate in this membership program that so many of the companies are doing now, and people feel like they're getting ripped off. I don't do that. I don't send form letters. I treat your credit just like it's like your personal signature. Everything I work on is like your personal signature. I've been around in my 15th year. We have a lot of great reviews. I won a lot of awards, both locally and across the United States. I get a lot by referrals. And by the way, this is a great way for this fundraiser to grow too, because maybe they announce it at church, but 2 or 3 people at home or in your Tops Club or Weight Watchers or one of those, them, they always talk about having a bad credit. So literally, there could be 400 people at church. Those 400 people may know another 400 or 1,000 people. So this could get crazy. I could be writing you checks, every day if you want to. You're helping me out. I don't mind paying a big chunk back to your organization. I don't really have the ability to travel, but although I would like to, um, I'm pretty much stationed in Tampa. But if you really want me to come out, we could talk about that. I would need some help to get a plane ticket, but I can't do any long distance driving, and I'm pretty well stationed in Tampa. But I'm happy to help support your fundraising. I'll help I've got some flyers I've used with other organizations, like churches. We can put a flyer in a bulletin. I can put a flyer downstairs. Maybe you've got some ideas. Put a thing outside on the sign, and maybe in the bulletin. Get the word out. Maybe you got a free opportunity in the local newspaper. Be sure to do that also, and then we can get the word out. But I'm happy to support your fundraiser. Happy to do anything, pay you the help you to make it a successful fundraiser. And I'm not just paying you a couple of bucks. I'm paying you $50 per person that signs up. So this could add up really quick. And I'm not a major corporation. I am a big company by customers. I have tons and tons of customers. But I don't have a huge company, meaning I don't have 1,000 employees or anything. And I'm pretty much at the end of the day a one-man show. I would always have, even if I had 100 people, I still would be the one. I'd still be the one to, dispute the files, because that's something I enjoy. That's something I've been doing for a long time, and I enjoy helping people. I enjoy helping people to achieve their goals. So, especially if you're a church or one of those kind of organizations, you can have pride that you're taking a part of something, helping people through these rough times. And I'm not a fly-by-night company. I've been around for 15 years. I'm a great guy. I'm originally from a small town in Indiana, and so I'm a small-town boy. I'm not really naive anymore, but I have good morals, good background, and it'd be a pleasure to meet you and work with your organization. So. I don't think I'm allowed to put my phone number out on this platform, because they've gigged me a couple times for that. I don't really know why, but they do. So I guess I'm allowed to give my website, and I'll put my number. I think I can put my number down below in the message. And but our website is EliteCreditSolutionsUSA.com. EliteCreditSolutionsUSA.com. I'll take a chance. Maybe they won't gig me today. 813-317-6776. 813-317-6776. I will also put that in the message below. So I have to clarify if you're supposed to put the phone number out. I don't know why I can't put the phone number, but I think that's what they're wanting. So our live froze up. I'm not exactly sure when, so I'm a little afraid that I shorted out some information. Today's live is about fundraising, helping out organizations and like churches, baseball teams, cheerleading, band, whatever your need is, nonprofit organizations. And you're basically, back on my church example, you put it in the bulletin, you put a sign out front, you announce on Sunday to the 400 people showing up for church that you have a fundraising program with Elite Credit Solutions. Nobody has to stand up and say they have bad credit or be embarrassed, or they don't have to come to you or anything. You won't even know. Put my number on the information. And by the way, I have flyers and things I can help you out with. And I'll fully support you. But they call us, we tell them about the program, and we sign them up. And our prices are the same as it was back in 2009, two of our programs. I've been in business 15 years. I have a lot of great reviews. I've won several awards both locally and across the United States. We've done really well. I've helped thousands of people. At the end of the day, I don't have a large company, meaning 1,000 employees or whatever. At the end of the day, it's pretty much me. But again, I wouldn't trust working on your credit to anybody but me. So I'm solely taking ownership. Even if I had 1 million people, I wouldn't farm it off to anybody. So I'm in Tampa, Florida. We serve the whole United States. The reason this is huge, and back on our cookie girls, we love Girl Scout cookies. Let's just say they're selling the box for $5, and maybe they're only getting $2. Of course, everybody likes Girl Scout cookies, so this is probably a bad example. But they don't make a whole lot of profit on top of that, so they're going to sell a lot of cookies. Luckily, many of us like to buy 20 boxes and take home, so they do okay. We used to sell fruitcakes at Christmas in the band. I don't know anybody that likes fruitcakes. I don't know anybody that looks forward to fruitcakes. So you generally bought it because you wanted to help the kid out. Maybe you paid $5 or $10 for it. Probably back then it was $5. And you put it up in storage or whatever, and you dig it out. Maybe at Christmas, maybe you just threw it away. Maybe you gave it to somebody that you didn't really like. Because I don't know anybody that loves fruitcakes. But as I got older, I had been a couple of Christmases, we dug into the fruitcakes. But maybe they got that fruitcake, they paid the $5, they hate fruitcakes, but they wanted to help you. And as I remember, sometimes people give us $5 or $10 and say, I hate fruitcakes, but here's for your band uniforms or something. So people are always happy to help. But, this is something that somebody didn't have to feel committed to helping you. Maybe they'll even donate. But the timing's perfect. Many haven't survived the pandemic. Many are still struggling. And our economy's the worst we've seen in many, many years. Everything's gone up 30-40%. And continuously. So many people are hurting. So you'd be helping people. This is a service that they need. We're a company that's represented well. You can feel proud. I'm originally from a small town in Indiana. I'm not naive anymore, but I even have good morals. You're not sending them to some fly-by-night company or somebody that's going to do wrong. I'll take good care of your friends and family if you send them to us, and I can help you. So each time they call us, they're from ABC Church. We're happy they're there. We have a nice conversation, private conversation about their credit, and then we we make arrangements to help them to improve their credit and go on to get a house or car, low interest rates, lower insurance, whatever goals they have, we help them to achieve it. And each one that comes in, I send you a $50. I give them a discount. I send you a $50 donation. And with you being a nonprofit, I'll probably ask you to send me a letter to cover me for taxes. But I'll be sending you a check, so at least I've got proof of my donations also. More so in this industry, I have to account for everything. So I'm happy to help out your organization. I'll support you in any way I can with the donations or with to take care of the donations and flyers and whatever else I can help you with. Maybe some ideas on promoting it. I have a background in marketing, so I probably can give you some fresh ideas also. But they call in privately. We work with them. We're currently offering double the credit repair. We don't do credit repair like any other company. We don't do form letters. We don't do this membership thing that so many of them are ripping people off doing. We do traditional, good old-fashioned credit repair. We work on the whole report the very first day. And, so they can be proud to work with us. I won't make you look bad or anything. And I'll work real hard for the people you send us. So this can be a nonprofit. It doesn't matter what you're doing, church or uniforms or church groups or baseball uniforms, band uniforms, whatever. And we can work together to make that happen. You won't have to sell as many cookies. $50 will add up really quick. But I'm happy to help you. And again, I'm John. You'll see me online, Papa Credit. That's what I'm under Facebook called, Papa Credit. And happy to work with you. And my company's Elite Credit Solutions, and I'm in Tampa, Florida. My number's, I hope I don't get in trouble, 813-317-6776. My website is EliteCreditSolutionsUSA.com. EliteCreditSolutionsUSA.com. I hesitated with the phone number because a couple weeks ago I got a gig from TikTok. So just in case TikTok's listening, that's my valid number. It's a business listing. You can find me on Google. I have a lot of great reviews. And I'm not trying to do anything but help a lot of people. So if I can help you with fundraising, I'm happy to. I hope I didn't cut off the earlier video when it froze on me too bad. But I'm looking forward to working with you in the organization. Give me a call, 813-317-6776, anywhere in the United States. And we're generally available till midnight, 7 days a week. Thank you.